finally got it painted. We got some clear on it. Car looks amazing, but we're going to head and wet sand this car with like 1,000, 1,500, and we're going to clear it again. This car will come out like a sheet of glass. All that'll happen next week at some point, and then it'll sit for a little while. Then we'll wet sand it again and buff it again, and this car will come out like a sheet of glass, ready to be put together. Everything else is ready to be done on this car. Everything's ready to be put together. So you got something like this hanging around, B5 Blue, I don't care if it's red. Just bring it down to us. Let us do it for you right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.